Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this problem, we'll use the concepts of function composition. So we are given two functions, f at x equals 3x minus 5 and g at x equals 2x plus 1. We have to evaluate these three expressions. So let's start with part A. So in part A, we have to find f at g at 3. So g at 3 becomes the input value for this function f. So the first step is to evaluate g at 3. So for that, we'll sub in x as 3 in the given g function. So it becomes 2 times 3 plus 1. Now we have to simplify this. So we know 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, and that is equal to 7. So g at 3 is equal to 7. Becomes the input value for the function f. So we have to evaluate f at 7. So we'll sub in x as 7 in the given f function, which is equal to, so 3 times 7 minus 5. Now we have to evaluate this expression. So we do 3 times 7, which is equal to 21, then minus 5, and then 21 minus 5 is equal to 16. So this should be the final answer for part A. So now we can analyze part B. So in part B, we have to find g at f at 3. So f at 3 is the input for function g. So the first step is to find f at 3. And for that, we'll sub in x as 3 in the given f function. So we get 3 times 3 minus 5. And we know that 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So we get 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4. So f at 3 is equal to 4. So we'll sub in f at 3 equals 4 in this given expression. So we get g at 4. So now we have to evaluate g at 4, and for that we'll sub in x as 4 in the g equation. So it becomes 2 times 4 plus 1. So g at 4 is equal to, so 2 times 4 is equal to 8, and then 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So g at 4 is equal to 9. So the final answer for this question is 9. So now we can do part C. So in part C, we have to find f at 4. So f at 4 is the input value for the function f. So the first step here is to calculate what f at 4 is. So for that, we'll sub in x as 4 in the given f function. So we get 3 times 4 minus 5. So which is equal to, so 3 times 4 is 12 minus 5. So this is f at 4. And now we can do the subtraction. So f at 4 is equal to 7. Now we can sub in f at 4 as 7 in the given expression. So we get f at 7. And we can evaluate it by subbing in x as 7 in the given f function. So we get 3 times 7 minus 5. So we know 3 times 7 is equal to 21 minus 5. So f at 7 is equal to 16. So this should be the final answer for part C. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.